Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this one we're going to have a look for the Lego Stormtrooper helmet. I was just going to buy it off the Lego website, but unfortunately it's now a retired product and it has been for a while. I think it's quite a sought after model as well, because when I went on eBay they were going for like 160 quid and I was like, I'm not paying that for a Lego model that was £60 I think it was retail. So we kept having a look around, and they were just going for extortionate money. So like even the stickers, they're about 25 quid just for them on their own, which I thought was it's just too expensive. So I kept my eye open on eBay just to see if there was any random sets going, and I found one, a discoloured one, that was the right price. I even offered the seller an even lower price than they accepted, and it literally rocked up in this plastic bag. So we need to get to work on it and get the discoloration out. So we managed to get one. It is discoloured, as the description said, and I rebuilt it, but obviously the parts didn't go back in the same way as the seller had it, so it's all a bit multicoloured. But as you can see, it's pretty discoloured, it's pretty yellowed. And there was a couple of pieces missing as well, but I managed to find some from some old Lego models that I had. So it is 100% complete now, but the seller is sending the pieces out anyway. But what we need to do, we need to fix this. We need to make it look brand new. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's a bit ropey as well, a bit dirty. So we're going to get this sorted out. I'm going to split all the white pieces from all the other pieces, so we can sort out this discoloration and hopefully look brand new. So now we've got them separated, loads of white pieces, see all the discoloured ones. Now we need some solution to sort this out. So this is what you use: hydrogen peroxide, 12% this one. I've got a litre of it, but I don't know if I've got enough, but we'll soon find out. And you literally just cover all the pieces and stick it in sunlight, and hopefully it'll bleach them all back to white. So, say like for this bit, look at that. It's really discoloured. Hopefully it'll sort all that, but we'll soon find out. I wonder if I've got enough. The only problem that I've got, I think it might knacker the stickers. So, might have to get some more stickers. So, fuck it. Let's go. Let's see what happens. What's the worst that can happen? So for the coloured bits, I'm just going to give these a quick wash. Bit of hot water, bit of fairy liquid. That'll do. Losing bits. Right, we'll just leave that to dry. And I'll leave the peroxide to sort the white pieces, and we'll come back to it probably in a couple of days. Okay, it's been a few days. Let's see what this Lego's like. It's looking white. Can't see any yellow bits. Look really good. And it looks like, if I can get it, the stickers haven't come off. They look okay too. Right. Do that. Get my hand a wash so it'll burn. Looks like they've turned out pretty good. Well, that was the yellowed one. You can still slightly see it, ever so slightly. But blind man won't see it. After going through all the parts, decided these ones needed a little bit longer in the solution because they were still pretty yellow, so they went back in. Make sure there's no others. So these can go for round 2, as they're still a little bit yellowed. And what we'll do is, I'm away for the weekend, so I'm just going to leave it here in front of the window. And hopefully they'll be alright for next week. And then we can get the model back together. Happy days. So all the pieces have been done. These are the ones that had a little bit extra. As you can see, no more yellow marks on there. They're as good as those ones. So I'm going to sort these pieces out, organise them a little bit so it's a bit quicker and easier to build the Stormtrooper helmet. And then what we'll do is I'll just stick it on a time lapse of me building it dead quick. And then it should be done. We'll see what the before and after looks like. Here we go. there it is, all complete. Looks loads better. It's not 100%, but it's pretty good. It's a lot better than it was. Can hardly see any of the yellow in. The room it's going in, you're definitely not going to see it. So, pretty happy with that. Got a bargain there, I think. Got the Mandalorian helmet coming as well. So I'll build that, get this up next to it. But thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. See you later.